Madison from FreshCut Paper, and I'm going to show you how to display your garden lilacs bouquet. Let's go ahead and open up the envelope and see what's inside. First, you'll notice a matching note card, followed by your beautiful bouquet. We'll start by opening the vase where it says push to open at the bottom. Next, we'll stand up the bouquet, and on the back side, you're going to notice the words fold up. And so you'll want to go ahead and attach the two Velcro dots together for a complete garden lilac bouquet. If you're looking to store your bouquet for a later date, just go ahead and look at the bottom. You'll notice it says pull to close. You'll want to go ahead and pull the tab, and it'll lay flat. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and disconnect the Velcro at the top, and then you can simply lay it flat, and it's ready to be stored. Thank you for watching, and I hope this bouquet brightens your day.